Oh, honey, you sound horrible.
I feel terrible, and I can't stop coughing and sneezing.
Well, it's a good thing I remembered it's flu and cold season. Look what I found! This fantastic new product called Catch-A-Cough. It completely stops the spread of the bug. It's easy to wear and use because now the germs are trapped in the pouch. It's made of 3 layers of medical-grade material, making it antiviral, antibacterial, and waterproof. And you can simply dispose of it when it's necessary.
Oh, this is great! Now we won't have to worry about spreading any germs wherever we are. We can wear it to the office, the kids can wear it to school or church, grocery shopping, or the doctor's office. This is a game changer.
Now available at various commerce sites as well as brick-and-mortar stores. Contact us. Axis International Marketing Limited. AxisMKT@AOL.com. 847-297-0744.